When I woke up in the morning and I walked through here, I was like, whoa, lots of light, beautiful.
Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm the Disney Stranger, and today I'm here at the Hilton Garden Inn, just about a mile north of the Orlando International Airport. And this is a hotel I stayed at last night. It's pretty nice. I'm very impressed with this place, and I got a really good deal online. So let's go explore. Let me tell you, this is a great place to start your vacation if you're flying in late at night and need a one-nighter to stay at before your vacation really begins the next day. It's perfect. You hop on a free van shuttle from the airport and it takes you right here. And I was amazed. It was convenient. The shuttle came within, maybe I waited 8 minutes at the most. 8 minutes. That was my experience. And this is also a great place if you are winding your vacation down, you have an early flight the next morning and you need a place to stay for one night and it's close to the airport and you need a free shuttle. This is great. Let me tell you, come here and spend the night, wake up early the next morning, and you're at the airport. And those are the two perfect reasons why this hotel is for you.
And this room is...
So, are you wondering if there's anywhere to eat around here? Well, there's a lot of close places within walking distance. For one of them, there's Hooters. Yeah, Hooters is right behind me, right past the hotel, right down this drive here, and you can walk there. Also within walking distance is the Bonefish Grill, a Chili's, a Fridays, and there's other bar restaurants close by, really close by. They're not that far. I highly recommend getting a bite to eat somewhere close. Now here's one of the van shuttles that take you to and from the airport. The free van shuttle, should I say. And don't be confused if you're at the airport and you see all these other hotels written on the side and the front. This will take you to other hotels, but don't fret. It does take you to the Hilton Garden Inn also.
This place is gorgeous. So I talked to the manager and he said this place was built in 1999, but it's just recently been renovated. Over here we have the eating area. Breakfast is served daily for $12.95. And the bar is open Monday through Thursday, actually all through the week, 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. So at 5 o'clock, the bar will open. There's a computer station on the opposite side of the lobby with an iMac, a printer, and it looks like a PC. And the printer's down there. Nice lounge area to relax in. And just outside the door is another relaxing area, an outdoor patio. This is not the pool. This is the front of the building. And they do have a fire pit over there. There's check-in. And across from check-in is the shop, where you can get some chips, some candy, some drinks, and what people care about the most, coffee. There's a little bit of alcohol available right now. We've got some hard seltzer, some White Claw, but there's also some non-alcoholic beer down below. Okay then, let's check out my room. Here on the first floor, room 138. And this room is a beauty. Let me tell you, I was highly impressed the moment I walked in here. Very spacious, very open, and as you can tell by my voice, a lot of echo. But that's good because it's a large room. And I opted for the king size bed. They asked if I want doubles or king, but I was staying by myself and waiting for my family to join me later today. And this room is beautiful. I enjoyed it so much. My stay here last night. And it's very impressed. I got this room for about $113 off of Priceline. They do run a bit higher if you buy it from the Hilton Garden website, or even Expedia or Kayak, whichever you use. But if you look for a deal, let me tell you, this is pretty cool. I did sleep on this bed last night, so I think I did a good job setting it back the way it looked. Lots of space to put your things down there. And over here, we have a bench where you can put your suitcases and clothing underneath the bench there. We have storage space under the TV set, which is where my stuff is right this moment. And we have a refrigerator right here. Microwave, your Keurig, some water, and some more storage here. Ironing board in here, and an iron. Place to hang your suits, your jackets in this corner here. Right behind these doors is the bathroom. And again, I was very much impressed. This was a very cool bathroom. Now, I'm not sure, this might be handicap accessible, so there's no bathtub in here, but there is a shower. There's the head on the shower. I do believe there's a hairdryer here. We got a hairdryer right inside there. Very, very impressed with this place. It's very clean. It looks fairly new, and I enjoyed my stay. We have the, we had the pumps there for your shampoos, conditioners, body gels, and we even have some lotion here by the sink. Oh, let me give you a shot of what it looks like outside here. I'm on the first floor, and my view goes out to the pool. Located at the back of the resort is the pool, open from 9 to 10 p.m. And for the little kiddies, we have one of those mushroom water thingies. No diving. That's pretty cool. Now there are people in the pool right now, so I'm not going to focus on the pool too much. It's a fairly small pool, but let me tell you guys, it's a wet pool. And as soon as I'm done this vlog, I'm going to go take a swim. So to sum up, the Hilton Garden Inn here just north of the Orlando International Airport, the Disney Stranger gives it a huge, big thumbs up. This was a great hotel, and let me stress, it was a very clean hotel. Amazingly clean. From the time that you walk in the building to you walk in your room, it's very clean. And this is the ideal place to stay if you're headed to the airport on an early flight out, or coming in late on a flight and you need one place to stay. This is the perfect place to stay. So before I leave, guys, just remember, don't forget to walk forward.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.